This is what a single video costs right now.
But that's about to change completely.
Luxury shouldn't look tired after only 2 seasons. Yours should be made by one artisan, start to finish. Choose the forever piece. Discover your bag at marinhollis.com.
Just watch 2 cinematic clips. One could be from a movie, one could be a luxury brand commercial. Both were made entirely by AI, for free. By the end of this video, you'll make this one yourself in under 20 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the truth about video right now. If you run a small business, a real video studio charges thousands for one product video. Stock footage subscriptions cost you every month for clips that never quite fit what you need. And if you're a creator, you've been paying for credits that disappear faster than your coffee, watermarks on every export, limits that hit you in the middle of a project. Whether you're trying to sell something or grow a channel, the result is the same. The free AI video space has been a mess. Until 30 days ago, when Google quietly changed everything. Before we touch any AI tool, we need a script, but not just any script. A structured cinematic ad blueprint. So I built this master prompt. It does the heavy lifting for you. The full prompt is in the pinned comment. Don't worry about reading it all. You just copy and paste it. The only part you fill in is the user input section at the top. Your product name, what it does, who it's for, your ad type, platform, brand tone, the main benefit you want viewers to remember, and your call to action. That's it. The AI handles everything else. The strategy, the scene structure, the cinematic prompts, the narration, even the on-screen text. Open ChatGPT. Here's a critical step most tutorials skip. I'm uploading my 3 product reference images directly into ChatGPT alongside the master prompt. This way, when ChatGPT writes the image prompts, it actually knows what my product looks like. Now I paste the master prompt. I'm using a fictional luxury handbag brand for this demo. So you see how it works for premium products. The same workflow applies whether you sell a $50 candle or a $5,000 bag. I fill in the inputs, hit generate. Watch the production table flow in, strategy summary, 3 scenes, image prompts, video prompts, narration, on-screen text, everything you need in one table. Now we head to Google Flow. This is where we generate the still image for each scene. Before we animate them, for the first scene, we're showing the problem. Don't use your real product images here. Why? Because if viewers see your actual product looking bad, even for a second, they'll associate failure with your brand. The visual wins over the narration every time, so scene 1 uses a generic product. Your real product is the hero from scene 2 onward. I paste the scene 1 image prompt. Generate without references. There's the result. For scene 2 and scene 3, we upload our 3 reference product images. This anchors the AI, so our bag looks identical across every scene. Generate scene 2. If the first attempt isn't right, regenerate. This is normal. Generate scene 3. 3 scene images, ready to animate. If this just saved you an afternoon of work, hit subscribe. I drop one of these workflows every week. Now open Google Vids. Sign in with the same Google account. Select image to animation. Drop in scene 1. Paste the VEO 3.1 prompt with sound effects. Hit generate. Quick note while it's generating. You might wonder why we didn't generate the images directly inside Google Vids. Google Vids has its own image generator, but it doesn't accept reference images. That's why we went to Google Flow first. Reference images are what keep our product consistent. Without them, the AI gives you a slightly different bag in every scene. Useless for a real business. Now watch this, listen to that. The AI generated that exact peeling sound from the prompt. No sound design, no Foley, just the prompt. Add a new scene. Drop in scene 2, paste the prompt, generate. Add scene 3, same process, 3 cinematic clips with synchronized audio in one timeline. Quick reality check before we keep going. What you just watched costs you nothing. Google gives you 10 free VO, 3.1 generations per month inside Vids. The output is 720p. That's it. That's the deal. No subscription, no credit card, no trial that expires. For most small businesses, 10 cinematic clips a month is more than enough for a full ad campaign. And if you need more, you just open a second Google account. One more quick fix, crop the bottom 10% on each clip. Watermark gone. Now, we add transitions. If you don't know which transition to use, scroll back to the assembly notes ChatGPT gave us. It tells you exactly what works for your brand tone. Slow cross dissolves between scenes. That's our match. Open the built-in narration tool. Paste scene 1 narration text. Check the assembly notes for voiceover tone direction. For this brand, ChatGPT recommended a female, mid-40s editorial style voice. Try a couple. Pick the one that fits.
The ocean breeze is incredibly Let's breeze through the setup so
Apply it to all 3 scenes.
Luxury shouldn't look tired after only 2 seasons.
Now the on-screen text overlays. Straight from the table. Take 30 seconds to match the typography to your brand. Elegant serif for luxury, bold sans serif for energetic brands. Whatever fits. Most tutorials stop here. But there's one move almost nobody makes, and it's the difference between AI demo and real commercial. Notice we never asked the AI to generate a logo. AI image generators butcher logos every time. Distorted text, wrong fonts, mangled letters. So we add the real logo manually. Right here in scene 3, upload your logo file, drop it into the final frame, position, size, 30 seconds, perfect every time. If you want, you can also add captions, drop in stock photos, add shapes, whatever you need. Google Vids has it all built in. Hit download as MP4, that's it. Your first AI cinematic commercial, built from scratch, in Google's free tools, in under 20 minutes. Here's the full workflow you just watched in 3 steps. ChatGPT for the script and prompts. Google Flow for the scene images with your real product. Google Vids for the animation, narration, and final export. 3 tools. 1 Google account. 0 cost. Try this on one of your products tonight. The full master prompt is in the pinned comment. Hit subscribe. See you in the next video.